DRJ Kids.
Story 4 Friends. A long, long time ago, there was a small town. It was filled with kind and loving people. In this town, 4 friends lived. They were really young at that time. And they were the best of friends. Out of those 4 friends, one was a prince. The other one was the minister's son. The third one was the moneylender's son. And lastly, the son of a farmer. The 4 of them always played, ate, and traveled and had fun together. One fine day,
So what happened, father?
Anyways, you all are poles apart.
No, father. I can never leave my friends.
Son, you are not understanding.
Father, I can leave this house, but I will never leave my friends.
Son, you are not ready to understand and listen to me.
If that is so, then I'm leaving this house.
the farmer was angry after listening to this. And he told his son to do whatever he wishes to do, you do. Now the farmer's son goes to his friends and he tells them about the conversation with his father. Hearing this, rest of the 3 friends also left their homes, and all 4 of them headed towards the jungle. Gradually it becomes darker, and all sorts of noises could be heard. All of them got tired, and they were hungry. After seeing all of this, the farmer's son said,
Why did you guys put yourselves in danger because of me?
No, not at all. How can it happen that?
When one of our friend is facing a problem, we all are living happily.
We will live together and we will also die together.
This is called real friendship.
The 3 friends slept under the tree, except the farmer's son who couldn't sleep. He was worried about his friends, and he prayed to the God.
Oh God, if you really exist somewhere, then please listen to me and help me come out of this situation.
After listening to him plead, God appeared in the form of an old man, and he told him,
Ask whatever you want to ask, son. Look, in this bag I have lot of diamonds.
No, I don't want diamonds. All my friends are very hungry. I'm looking for some food for them.
I am about to tell you a secret. There is a mango tree in front of you. 4 mangoes are hanging. One is fully ripened. The second one is little less ripe. The third one is slightly less ripe. And the last one is completely raw.
What's the secret about it?
Each one of you will have those 4 mangoes. The one who eats the mango first will become a king. The one who eats the second mango will become the king's minister. The one who eats the third mango will have diamonds coming out. The one who eats the 4th mango will serve a lifelong imprisonment.
After saying God disappears, when his friends woke up, he told them to freshen up and then told each of them to eat a mango. He took the smallest and raw mango for himself. After eating the mangoes, they felt a little at ease. Then they continued ahead to their destination. While walking down the jungle, when they get tired, they thought of drinking water from the well. When they were washing their faces, 3 diamonds come out of Prince's mouth. They kept those, and the next day, he gives 1 diamond to the minister's son.
Take this diamond and get some food for all of us.
All right.
When he reaches the market with the diamond, he sees an elephant coming towards him all dressed up in the midst of pomp and show.
What's this noise is all about?
Hey, you do not know?
No?
The king of this town has died without an heir and we need a king to rule. And that is why the elephant is left on the street to choose a king.
And how?
The person on whom the elephant will put the garland from his trunk, that person will be declared as our king. Hey, look, the elephant's coming here.
the minister's son stepped aside to the corner of the street. The elephant comes near him and hangs the garland around his neck. In this manner, the minister's son becomes the king, because he had eaten the fully ripened mango. The royal status blinded him and forgot all his friends. After a long time since he hadn't returned, the prince gave the second diamond to the moneylender's son and he said,
Take this diamond and buy some food for us to eat.
All right.
When he takes the diamond and reaches the market, he sees a huge crowd. It is very noisy around. And he sees the elephant is decked up, surrounded by splendor.
Hey, what is the reason for so much noise? Finally, a king has been appointed for our town. So now we have to fill up the minister's position. That is the reason why the elephant is once again sent with a garland. Oh, so that is the case.
Meanwhile, the elephant hangs the garland around the moneylender's son, who is near the shop. And he becomes the minister. And he also forgets the rest of his friends. In the jungle, the prince and the farmer's son's stomach were growling with hunger.
Now what shall we do?
I will go and get us something to eat.
Here, take this last diamond. This is all that I have now. Kindly get something to eat.
When the farmer's son handed the diamond over to the shopkeeper, noticing the poor condition of the farmer's son, the shopkeeper doubted that he is one of the must who have stolen the diamond from the royal palace. He immediately calls the police and he hands him over to them. The police don't give a heed to the farmer's son and they arrest him. They give him a lifelong imprisonment. This was the result of the raw mango.
This is a really strange town. None of my friends have returned. I don't want to live in such a town.
After a long time, the prince with his diamond miracle collects a lot of wealth. And he becomes the king again and formed a new world of his own. Now that things were settling, he began to think of his old friends. He plans a search party for them. He gets to know that the neighboring town's king was none other than his old friend.
So, dear friend, did you recognize me?
Of course, my friend. Where were you?
In this way, both friends were reunited, and the moneylender's son was the minister of the neighboring town, so he also reconnected. Now the three friends start looking for their friend. They get to know that he is in the jail. This fact bothered them, as they knew that he was in jail because of them. Quickly, the three friends go over and they release him. The prince welcomes him and introduces himself. The farmer's son is really happy, and the four of them were back to being best friends. Soon after that, they all gathered their wealth and they divided them equally into 4 parts. Each one of them gets their part. All of them return back to their town and they meet their parents. The town is once again filled with joy. True friendship is for lifetime. One true friend is any time better than 100 enemies.